All right, we're gonna check out the Roman candle barrages because there are a lot of them here, and a lot of them are different from last year. 11 on this one. War Machine Top Gun is 11. Bang Bazooka is 12. Shogun is 25. Or no, 19. This one is 23. Got these red, white, and blue ones from Boom Wow. They are 15 a piece. And this one is 14. We got here the Bubba Blaster from Big. It's 21. 19. And then we got, what do we got here? What is this? Chasing Tail by Big is 18. T-Sky. It is 37 for the three of them. Monkey Mania 16. Really good red, white, and blue garage. This one is $12. $10 on this one. 11. Some Red Lantern. This is 13. Pyro Box. This is called Neon Bullet. It is 11. It's the new Miracle. These all have a stand to them. It kicks out two legs to lean them on. Get three different kinds. They're all by Miracle. They are 15 a piece. Mega Banger 12. 12. 11. 10. This one. And what do we got here? Agent X is $10. Sunwing. Happy Family Gatling is 20. 20. No, 21. 14. 30. That went up since the last time I was here. That was not 30. 19. 24. 20. Oh, cool. Snowstorm from Winda is 21, and then Sandstorm is also 21. What we got here? This is 17. 15. 20. 25. This is from Fox. It's called Beast. We got this little 3-pack here from Mag Value. It is 23. Got Mummy Mayhem, Raging Nile, and Pharaoh's Arrows. This tiny one here is 9. This one's 10. These single ones from Mag Value are $8 a piece. Here's the Spirit of 76, red, white, and blue. They are 13 a piece. Then we got the lightsabers from T-Sky. 11, blue, white, red. $11, $13, and $8. Got 20. So 3-pack by Magnus, $70. Spider Hammer Shield, 23. 17. T-Sky here, it's pretty sweet looking. 25. 22. 23. 29. It's also by them. Who got it? Let's see here. Brocade crown is $14 for this one. This one's 12. $9 a piece on these 8-shot Roman candles, real good. Fire and Ice. $25.